Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to deposit money on your IQ option account. And for this, first of all, I need to tell you that you need to verify your account to do this. But if you did that, I can tell you exactly what you need to do. Because if you go to deposit and click on top up your account and start real trading, you see right here the options that you can use. Now, you can use Visa, MasterCard, bank transfer, NetTeller, and Skrill. We want to do, for example, the MasterCard. Now, select the Euro, the GBP for ponds, and the USD. Now, let's say we want to do Euros, then we do next. Then fill in the amount. Then right now, fill in your card number, your month and the year, and your card holder's name, and then all the following steps will follow. First of all, the verification is required, so make sure that you do the verification, but after that, this will work. So this is how you can deposit money on your IQ option account. Hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.